Assalamu alaikum and welcome to video number 2 of chapter number 1, playing with numbers. In yesterday's class we had seen how to convert decimal form to generalized form. Let us quickly do a small revision on how to convert decimal form to generalized form, and in today's class we will see the opposite of it. We will see how to convert generalized form to decimal form. But before that, let us revise once. So if the numbers are represented without in expanded form, they are called as decimal form, and if they are written in expanded form, they are called as generalized form. Example, if I have a number like 39, we have seen that 9 is in units place, units is also called as ones, and 3 is in tens place. Whichever number comes in tens place should be multiplied with 10 plus whatever number we have in units place, that should be multiplied with 1. Therefore it becomes 3 is in tens place, so it becomes 3 into 10 plus 9 is in ones place, so it becomes 9 into 1, right? Similarly, if I have a 3-digit number, this becomes units, this becomes tens, and this becomes hundreds. 1 is in hundreds place, so we should multiply 1 with 100 because it is in hundreds place, plus 6 is in tens place, so 6 should be multiplied with 10, 6 into 10, plus 4 is in units place or ones place, so 4 should be multiplied with 1. Now, with a 4-digit number, this is in units, tens, hundreds and thousands. 8 is in thousands place, so we multiply 8 with 1000. 0 is in hundreds place, so we multiply 0 with 100. 4 is in tens place, so we multiply 4 into 10. And 2 is in units place, so we multiply 2 into 1. So that is what we had learned in yesterday's class, and in today's class we will learn how to write the numbers from generalized form or expanded form to their decimal form. So second question is, or second heading will be, write the following in decimal form. Okay, let us see one example. So the question will be 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1. This is in generalized form and it has to be converted to decimal form. So 5 into 10, we can also write it backwards if you want. 6 into 1, we have units place, so I'll write 6. Then I have tens place. So 5 into 10 is 50, which comes in tens place. So 5 tens are 50 plus 6 into 1 is 6. 5 tens are 50 plus 6 into 1 is 6, and 50 plus 6 will give us 56, and that is the required answer. Right? Let us see one more example. If I have a number like 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. So 3 into 1 is units place, so 3 is in units place. So I write 3 in units place first. You always write units, then we come to tens. And 4 into 10, 4 is in tens place, so this will take tens place. 3 in units place, 4 in tens place, or you can also write 4 first and then 3 next, right? So let us see one question again. 7 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Now for this question, 7 into 100 is 700, so 7 comes first. 5 into 10 is 50, so 5 comes next in tens place, and 8 into 1 is 8, that comes in units place. Or 8 is in units place, so I have written 8. 5 is in tens place, so I have written 5 in tens place. And 7 is in hundreds place, so I have written 7 in hundreds place. You can clearly see this is units place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. Similarly, this is units here, this is tens, units here, and tens here. I will solve one more. 8 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 6 into 1. If this is the question, what do you think the answer should be? We will write 8 first, which is in hundreds place. 0 is in tens place, so I will write 0. And 6 into 1 is 6. So 6 is in units place, so I will write 6 here. Right? So next question. 6 into 1000 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Now this is interesting, and please concentrate and also pause the video if you don't understand this question and watch it again. So when we write Indian place value chart, let us recall what are the places. We have units, we have tens, we have hundreds, then thousands. So if I have to speak about 4 places, it will be units, tens, hundreds and thousands. If I see this question, I have thousands. After thousands I have tens, and then I have units or ones. What do you think is missing in between? Right, it's hundreds. So after thousands I don't have hundreds, I directly have tens. So whichever place is missing, in that place we will have to mention 0. Example, I have 6 in thousands place, I will write 6. But after thousands I should have had 100, but I don't have 100 in this question. Therefore in place of hundreds which is missing here, I should mention 0. And in place of tens I have 5, so I will write 5. And in place of ones I have 8, so I will write 8. I'll repeat this. We have 6 into 1000, then we have 5 into 10. What I am trying to tell you is, after thousands we should have had hundreds place, which I don't have. So whichever place is missing, in that place we will have to mention it as 0. So in thousands place we have 6, so I will write 6. In hundreds place there is no value, that's why I will write 0. In tens place I have 5, so I will write 5. And in ones place I have 8, so I will write 8. Okay. So we'll see this question. 7 into 1000 plus 6 into 1. Right? 7 into 1000 we have. After 1000 we expect that before this there should be hundreds, then tens, and lastly we should have ones. So here I have ones, but I don't have tens, I don't have hundreds, I directly have 1000. So in which places should we mention 0? That is in hundreds place and in tens place. So in place of thousands I will write 7, but I don't have hundreds, so in place of hundreds I should mention 0. I don't have tens, so in tens place also I should mention 0. And in ones place I have 6, so the answer is going to be 7006. Last question. 1 into 1000 plus 1 into 10. 1 into 1000. So I have thousands place, then I have tens, so hundreds is missing. Thousands, hundreds is missing, then I have tens, then ones is also missing. So in place of thousands I will write 1 because I have 1 here, plus hundreds is missing, in place of hundreds I will write 0. Then in place of tens I have 1, correct, but lastly I don't have this units place here, that's why that also will be 0. I hope you have understood. In case if you have any doubts, please reach out to me on WhatsApp and ask your doubts. Here I will be giving you some homework questions which I want you to convert from decimal form, from generalized form to decimal form. 1 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 4 into 1. 7 into 1000 plus 6 into 1. As you see, we have thousands, but hundreds and tens is missing, so you know what to do. You should fill 0 in that place. Then I give 6 into 1000 plus 4 into 10. What does this mean? I have thousands, but hundreds is missing. I have tens, but ones is missing. Whichever is missing, please fill 0 in that place. Try to solve all the 3 questions as homework, and also make sure that whatever questions we are solving as exercise should be present in your mathematics notebook, which will have a check later on, and will tell you the dates on which we will check it. So please don't forget to mention all this in your notes. Also try to do the homework questions. If you have any doubts, reach out to me. Until then, keep learning, and thank you very much for watching this video.